Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners on AliExpress. If you're looking for a powerful tool to keep your car spotless and fresh, you've come to the right place. We've selected a range of models that offer various features to fit different needs. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. iTune Wireless. The iTune Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and highly efficient device designed to make your car cleaning routine effortless. This model impresses with its strong suction power despite its small size. Being wireless, it offers the freedom to maneuver easily, reaching all those tricky spots in your vehicle without the hassle of tangled cords. It comes with a set of versatile attachments that make it suitable for different surfaces and types of debris. The iTune Wireless is perfect for those who value convenience and portability in their car vacuum cleaner. Number 4. Xiaomi Upin. The Xiaomi Upin car vacuum cleaner is a sleek, high-performance model that combines design with functionality. Its powerful suction capability ensures that it effectively picks up dirt and dust, leaving your car interior clean and hygienic. This vacuum cleaner features a high-efficiency filter that captures fine particles, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, and the variety of attachments included make it versatile for various cleaning tasks. The Xiaomi Upin is a reliable option for those seeking a blend of style and efficiency. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia. The Xiaomi Mijia car vacuum cleaner stands out for its quiet operation and robust performance. It is equipped with a smart filtration system that ensures effective dust and allergen removal, contributing to a healthier car environment. The vacuum's design is user-friendly, making it easy to operate and maintain. Its powerful suction capabilities are complemented by its quiet motor, which minimizes noise while cleaning. The Xiaomi Mijia is ideal for users who appreciate a balance between power and tranquility. Number 2. Souk Mini. The Souk Mini car vacuum cleaner is known for its compact size and powerful performance. Despite its small footprint, it delivers impressive suction power, making it highly effective at picking up a range of debris from your car. The lightweight and compact design of the Souk Mini make it easy to store and maneuver, and it comes with multiple attachments for versatile cleaning. Whether you're dealing with crumbs, pet hair, or dust, the Souk Mini handles it all efficiently, making it a great choice for those needing a powerful yet portable solution. Number 1. Center. The Center car vacuum cleaner tops our list with its outstanding performance and versatile features. It offers robust suction power that can tackle even the most stubborn messes in your car. The Center comes with a range of attachments and a long cord, providing you with the flexibility to clean every corner of your vehicle with ease. Its durable construction and high-efficiency filter ensure that your car remains clean and free of allergens. For those who seek the best in power, performance, and practicality, the Center is the top choice. Thanks for watching our video on the top car vacuum cleaners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.